Okay, this is a triplex that I had. An older gentleman was in the property,
All right,
passed
this is
away,
the
and his
living
family
room.
members moved in afterwards. This was the condition when he left. And
Kitchen.
I know I'm talking over some of this, so hopefully you can hear me with the voiceover. But as you can see, there was a lot of trash. This is a 2-bedroom apartment unit. I was renting it out for about $860, I believe, at the time. This is in Portsmouth, one of my triplexes.
Closet.
And you'll see that it was in really bad condition. Need new carpet, need to be cleaned out.
So I just want to show you guys really quick.
I'm gonna
just renovated this unit.
Explain what I did.
This is
Here.
a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We just put a brand new refrigerator, stove, dishwasher,
All stainless steel.
new flooring, got all the walls repaired, new AC blow unit and heating,
Updated the walls,
flooring,
baseboards,
new
all of that.
light fixtures, and new bathroom, tile, floor, all of that. So this is listed at $1,400. We also have washer and dryer hookup. Have a nice backyard. Come check it out. 373 Carver Circle.